We are on the way to Kailasagiri. The hill, the road of Kailasagiri, you can see. This is Kailasagiri hill road. We came by a scooter. We just stopped here because the weather is so good, like 29 degrees. He's thinking about Kailasagiri. Here it's so green and clean. You can see the three flowers. It's so beautiful, and today we are excited to go Kailasagiri after a long time. So guys, we reach here in Kailasagiri. You can check out the sea view here. Wow, this is the sea view. And it's raining, guys. Rain has just started and stopped also. Now we are going to enter the gate of Kailasagiri. This is gate of Kailasagiri. So let's get in. Last time we came to this place also, guys. I hope you watched my video. Nice, so many trees, green areas. You can see jungle area, and that's children park, and the toy train, like Darjeeling toy train. You can see the view of Vizag city. This is the view of Vizag city from Kailasagiri, and the sea view. It's so nice and beautiful from here. You can see here it's a ropeway service line. We will do it next time, guys. Here rope line also, ropeway, actually ropeway. We'll try next time. Small food stalls and all, and some adventures. So guys, now we are going to see the statue of Shiva and Parvati. It's the main thing of Kailasagiri, Shiva and Parvati statue. Kailasagiri is a popular tourist destination in Vizag, and it offers a breathtaking 360-degree view of the city, sea and surrounding hills. There is a giant Shiva statue, one of the tallest in India, is installed at the top. Here is a ropeway and perfect place for picnics. So guys, we reached to our main destination. You can check out the statue of Shiva and Parvati. This is the main thing of Kailasagiri, I told you. See the statue from the...
Look, this is called scenic.
Huh?
Civiling.
Yeah, I know. Civiling. Hindu Shiva stone, right? This is the statue of Hindu god and goddess. So here horse riding also done. You can see the horse riding also. This is food, fast food cuisine, Indian cuisine, and the statue. Amusement park. Now we are here in the we are here to see the toy train. Show you the view of toy train. This is the toy train of Kailasagiri. You can check out the seat inside the train. So guys, I hope you like my vlog of Kailasagiri. This train is not so long also. This is our next tour here, guys. Tenneti Park. You can check out the view of Tenneti Park from the outside. This is the view of Tenneti park our scooter here. Now we are going to enter Tenneti Park. Actually, Tenneti Park is, about Bangladeshi cargo ship. So guys, this is the gate of Tenneti Park. It's also called the urban park in the city of Visakhapatnam. And the main thing of this place is Bangladeshi cargo ship. And now it has turned into a fancy restaurant. I'll show you later. We are on the way. Okay guys, I will show you the Bangladeshi cargo ship here. This is Bangladeshi cargo ship, guys. See the view of the sea also. It's so beautiful, guys. We had a plan since a long ago, since a long time ago. So today we finally came today because we tried to come on Sunday, but we decided to cancel because in Sunday there are lots of crowd here. So many people come here to see the view of this place, guys. So today we came. It's so empty. So guys, this is the view of cargo ship of Bangladesh. So I hope you like my vlog, and if you like my vlog, do like, subscribe and share, guys.